Hello friends, this video on human eye and the colorful world part 7 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 6 before going ahead with part 7. So with this we will conclude our topic on rainbow, and now we will look at something called atmospheric refraction. So here we will see some of the phenomenon of the atmosphere which happens as a result of refraction. Some of the very interesting phenomenon which we see in our day-to-day life, but we never knew that it happens because of refraction. The first one is the twinkling of the stars. All of us see the stars twinkling at night. But what makes the stars twinkle? Have we ever thought of that? Maybe yes, maybe no. Well, to let you know that twinkling of stars is due to the phenomenon of refraction of light. So it takes place because of refraction. What happens that makes the stars twinkle? In this case, the stars are several miles away from the earth. They are far away from us. So the light which is coming from the stars, and stars have got their own light, right? So this light of the stars, when it reaches our eyes, it comes across so many things. It comes across the atmosphere as well. And this atmosphere consists of several particles, right? I mean, in the atmosphere, you have so many things, right? And because of the presence of so many things, the atmosphere has got a different refractive index. Now, when this light passes through so many layers of the atmosphere before reaching our eye, what happens? Refraction takes place because it keeps entering from one medium to another medium. Now, because of this refraction, what happens? There is a shift in the position, as I mentioned before also, right? Remember the topic on refraction through a glass slab. What happens? A lateral shift takes place. That means when refraction happens, there is a lateral shift of the emergent ray from the incident ray. That means the ray which enters our eye gets laterally shifted from the actual position of the object. Now in this case, since the refraction occurs several times, for example, when this ray enters from this medium to this medium, refraction takes place, right? So maybe the emergent ray reaches your eye here. So you feel that the object is here. Now again, when this particular ray is entering from this medium to this medium, again refraction is taking place. As a result, maybe the ray which is reaching your eye is here. So you feel along the line of sight of this emergent ray that the object is here. Again, it enters the other medium. So since the number of refraction which is experienced by the light is too many, so too many times refraction takes place, so therefore we are able to see too many apparent position of the stars. Now, so sometimes we see that the star is here, again we see the star is not there. Like too many apparent position means, let us suppose at one instant we see that the star is here, in the next instant we see that the star is here, again on the next instant we see the star is here, again on the next instant we see that the star is here. So then what happens? This effect is seen like twinkling. That means sometimes you see the star here, sometimes here, sometimes here, sometimes here. Since all these positions are very nearby, so this effect is actually seen as twinkling of the stars. So twinkling of stars is nothing else. It happens because of multiple refraction which is experienced by the light to reach from the stars to the eye when it crosses so many layers of atmosphere. And whenever refraction takes place, there is a lateral shift involved, because of which we never view the actual position of the object. Instead, we are able to view the apparent position of the object. So similarly, there is another atmospheric phenomenon which we see and which is because of refraction. That is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Sun is always visible to us 2 minutes before the actual sunrise and 2 minutes after the actual sunset because of atmospheric refraction. Now what is atmospheric refraction? You understand, atmospheric refraction is nothing but the refraction which takes place because of the different refractive indices of the atmosphere. Because of the presence of atmosphere, when refraction takes place, we call it as atmospheric refraction. Now, what is sunrise? When sunrise takes place? As the sun rise, let us suppose if this is the horizon. So whenever the sun comes above this horizon, we say that sunrise has taken place. Whenever sun goes below this horizon, we say that sunset has taken place. So why does it happen that even before the actual sunrise take place, we are able to view the sun? That is again because of refraction. What happens, let us suppose right now the sun is here. That means the sunrise has not yet taken place. So the sun is here. Now the light rays from this sun reaches our eye, crossing the layers of the atmosphere, during which refraction of light takes place. Therefore, the light ray which finally reaches your eye after all refraction is somewhat like this. It gets bent here and there. And then again, the light which reaches your eye, you see along the line of sight of that emergent ray. So as per your line of sight, you are able to see the sun somewhere here, right? So even though the sun is here, but you are able to see the sun to be here. That means right now, has the sunrise taken place actually? No. But are you able to see the sun above horizon? Yes. So that means what if for you sunrise has taken place? So that is why we are able to view the sun 2 minutes before the actual sunrise takes place. Similarly, the same thing happens for sunset also. After the sun goes inside, it goes below the horizon, that means actually sunset has taken place. But still when the rays reaches our eye, it reaches in such a way that we are able to see the sun here. That means we are still able to see the sun. That means even after actual sunset has taken place, we can still see the sun for another 2 minutes. So this advanced sunrise and delayed sunset is because of the phenomenon of atmospheric refraction. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.